Turkish Marats, lies in the northern part of divided Cyprus. The fate of this city was sealed on July 20, 1974 by the Turkish invasion of the island, when many Greek Cypriots had to leave and only the Turkish army and the security forces of Cyprus could enter.
What about sunrise? What about rain?
At the time of this incident, there were approximately 39,000 inhabitants.
What about killing fears? Is there a time?
Just hours before the Greek Cypriot and Turkish armies met in battle in the streets of Famagusta, the Greece Cypriot population fled to Perpili Needle and Larnaca fearing their massacre.
Shared before. Did you ever stop this notice? This crying earth, this weeping shore.
The city of Vereshore. It was abandoned for more than 48 years, which is a great pity for its original inhabitants. Rosa was once sought after not only by tourists, but also by famous faces of the film screen such as Elizabeth Taylor, Richard Burton, Sophia Loren, and Bridget Bardot.
What about all the peace that you pledged your only son? What about flowering fields?
Beautiful beaches and luxury hotels were a big attraction. Today, after more than 48 years, this city is again accessible to tourists.
Stop to notice all the children dead from war. Did you ever stop to notice this crying earth, this weeping shore?
In 1983, the Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus was established in the northern part of Cyprus. Since 1984, the UN has decided that only its original inhabitants can settle this city.